The health and medical information provided during this webinar, as well as the questions and responses from the webinar providers, are solely for informational purposes. This content is not intended to take the place of advice or treatment from health professionals. Nothing presented in the webinar is intended to be used for medical evaluation, diagnosis, or treatment. It is not intended to substitute for your relationships with your own healthcare and pharmaceutical providers. Always seek the advice of your healthcare provider before beginning any new treatment, or if you have questions regarding a medical condition.
All right, and I just so happen to have an Owen Mumford manual VED in my hand. I already have engaged the motor, but I'm actually going to disengage it. And the reason is that I found, and people have told me over the years, that it's a little bit easier to assemble it a little bit differently, and that's actually putting on the cone first. And the reason, I'm only on full screen, so you probably can't see my chest, but you can put this up to your body, especially guys that may be a little older, a little bit weaker, to provide a little bit of pressure to assemble this. Because if you try just to do this in midair, as I will about to, you got to push pretty hard, and you got to kind of get it on. And again, sometimes a little bit of lube in that joint can help. But if you use your body to kind of push it on a little bit harder, then it goes on a little bit easier. So once you have that connected, I know I'm just off screen here a little bit, you're going to have this. I already did assemble the cone, but again, that comes off. And as I was saying, the cone you may or may not need, but it definitely helps with putting this occlusive band on. So once you have this, now you can assemble it to put on the motor again. And then what we're going to do is we'll put on the occlusive band here. And sometimes, again, it might be easier to do that with your chest, but it should just snap, really on right over that cone. And it's just a little bit of force, and it kind of locks in place. There's a little ridge here that I think you can see that allows you to fit right in on this little groove. And you can take your cone off. And then, I know this seems like kind of an outtake from Kubrick's classic Full Metal Jacket, and I'll let you guys decide what is the rifle and what is the gun here. But you should be able to assemble this in the dark in under 30 seconds is the goal. So the wonderful folks at MedMD gifted me with, I think, the smallest Mr. Limpy size possible. So we're going to do something that is not going to really replicate what you're able to do at home, because we're not going to get quite the seal with it. But I'm going to back up to get a little more full camera here and show you, if this were you doing this at home, is that you are going to push pretty hard. So if this is the rest of your body here, you're going to push Mr. Limpy in pretty hard like this, and you should start to see the penis through the chamber. And that's really it. So we've assembled it, essentially 3 pieces. You have a good seal, your O-ring gasket is intact. And again, this will be not a lot of payoff because Mr. Limpy doesn't have any blood flow, but all you're doing is pumping this device in your body and your penis at home. You pump this until you feel that growth and you feel that engagement where you have a good seal, the penis is growing, it's getting to the point where you can see it in the chamber. And the last move then is simply just to roll off, and see how easily that ring rolls off, and you've got your band right there. So that's the way that we do this. That's the way that we teach this. And it actually, once you get used to it, is so simple to do that you really shouldn't have any difficulty doing it. But the keys are, as you see, no pubic hair here on Mr. Limpy, so really shave, some good manscaping in there so that ring fits, and it's not going to be uncomfortable to take off. And the other thing that's super important, as we talked about, is that 30 minutes. So once you're done, you've had penetrative intercourse, I hope you've had an orgasm, you're able to just slide this off. And this ring slides off you a lot more than it slides off Mr. Limpy here. But for demonstration purposes, that's it. These are silicone. You don't want to put them in the dishwasher, just soap and water maintenance. Same thing with the device itself, is that all of these components you can easily wash off with soap and water, and do so regularly. That's a public service announcement. It's disheartening as a urologist with over 20 years of experience to have somebody come in with a VED and they want me to show them how to use it and they've yet to wash it. So just remember that you brush your teeth before you go to the dentist. Let's have a little similar respect for us urologists out there. Ashton, I think that's it for my demonstration.
Yeah, that was great.
Know that we have time for some questions. I'm delighted to answer anything out there, things I didn't cover, or some troubleshooting potentially that we can answer for you. So thanks again for everybody's attention. I really appreciate Owen Mumford's sponsorship, as well as MedMD having me back on to talk about this, and as a resource for prostate cancer survivors, as well as any man that's struggling with erectile dysfunction. I encourage you to reach out to your physicians, get the help you need so that we can optimize you.
We'd like to thank Dr. Mills for taking the time to present today. If you'd like to learn more about VEDs, you do have a few options. So there will be more resources on the Resource Center on medmd.com. You can visit this page to view instructional videos, guides, expert articles, and more. If you do still have a question or would like to speak to someone in person, you may call MedMD at 857-233-5837 or log into the password-protected portal to schedule an appointment with a personal health assistant. If you're interested in purchasing a VED or learning about how much they cost, you may do so by visiting the shop page on medmd.com or by calling our office at 857-233-5837.
If you found this video helpful and want to stay in the loop with our growing men's health community, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified when new content is available. Your support makes it easier for other men like you to find these helpful resources. Thanks again for watching. We hope to see you again.